This is the mica and the flavoring and the tube applicators. So yeah, I'm putting them in this pink mesh bag. So basically the kit also comes with a glitter. So they come with 2 glitters. I do include a pink mica in every base simply because a lot of people like the pink. Also put the ingredients on. And then this one's coming with purple mica. I am using the tropical, I'm putting in the tropical punch. And then I insert a business card on. So the business card is entered. So yeah, then I put in the business card and then I just zip it up and this is what it looks like. So yeah, just really nice, has everything in it. And this is what they look like. 6 a.m. It's something like really early like that, y'all. So my vendor event is at 6. I mean, no, it's at 9. It's at, well, the load in times is at 9 and 10:30. Little finishing touches I gotta do to like a few products. I was not accepted into this vendor event until like a week till it happened, so I really didn't have like that much time to like get everything together. This is kind of like not finals week, but it's like the week before finals, so like you kind of gotta like catch up on like your other stuff before you get to finals.
I woke up really early because I want to give myself at least 2 hours, so 7, 8. So by the time I'm done, it'll be like 8:49, and then I'll get ready, and then maybe I can head out.
I'm excited. I don't know, I just have like a few things to just touch on, but I've been working on like this new recipe. So yeah, I made this new body scrub recipe. It's like the best body scrub in the world, like genuinely like the best body scrub I've ever had. And then I made like some body butter, but like I don't know what's going on with that. I'll get back to y'all later when I kind of have everything situated, because like yeah. So we're into the event and I made one sale. I don't know, I just like the way that they kind of did it. It's like really weird. I don't know, this is definitely different. I don't think this is my target demographic, right? But you know, we're still gonna stay. I still have 5 more hours here, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna show you my setup though. The kids, the bases, and then the kids, and then the bags and stuff like that. So yeah, and like the lighting's really weird. Now we're into the event, made one sale, and I don't know, it's just really weird. 12:14, and I'll update y'all at 1 and let y'all know how it's going, but made $15 so far. So yeah. This is what the thing is. It was looking like. All the samples are gone. You know, the business cards. The place is looking like, y'all. So yeah, y'all, like it's not going too good, like it's just not, but I'm gonna just see. There was the big building, then there was the small building. We didn't know which one we were going to end up at, like none of the sellers did, so they thought that the 10,000 people were going to trickle over to the other building, and they did not. So I'm about to record me packing up, because I'm leaving an hour early because this is like a hot mess. So yeah,
it was like a whole bigger main building where everybody was at. We could have made more sales at.
Yeah, this was like a all these people. That's what it's looking like.
Not because she was barely here. I was the one doing all of the work.
Yeah, this is like literally a mess. But like it was cool because I met some really cool people, but still it's like ready to go though.
My mom texted me.
Yeah, I thought he was coming out.